So hello everyone. Today we're gonna make a simple income and expenses tracker in Excel. So this might not be a state-of-art income and expenses tracker like you might see in other YouTube videos, but this would be a simple one in which you can add your monthly expenses, your income, and it will show you some basic things. It will just help you to track your income and expenses along with the dates. So let's get started. I'll leave two rows over here so that I can make heading for income and expenses. So date, firstly I'm gonna go with date, then I'm gonna go with particulars, then amount. Now I'm just gonna make it a little bit wider to write the particulars without any difficulties, and I'm gonna copy this, Control C and Control V. Sorry. Okay, so what happened? Okay, so this would be enough. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna merge and center this, and I'm also gonna merge and center this. So now I'm gonna write income in this one, income, and I'm gonna write expenses on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16, 20. Okay, so now I'm gonna format these as table so that they look a little bit more attractive. My table has headers there, and I'm also gonna format these as well, just to make them a little bit more attractive. So there you go, done. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to make date automatic. So whenever you type something in here, the date you type in automatically appears on this side, because writing date is really tedious. You have to add slash and write numbers, and it is very tedious. So firstly I'm gonna write a formula for this one. If this is empty, you can copy this formula as well. Then empty, then do nothing. But if it's not empty, then write today. This is the date formula for date. Okay, so now whenever I write something in here, for example I write electricity bill, then it shows number, but that number is not date, it's just some random number. So I have to change this. So we can do this is by going to more accounting option, and then going to date and selecting time. Then it will appear the time, so you can have a look at there. That's my time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull all this way down there, and for amount, whenever I type something, then it appears like this. But I want symbols as well, dollar symbols, pound symbols. So how we can do that is by going to this button again, going to more accounting formats, then selecting symbols and doing this. So it will appear like this, and we can drag it down like this. Sorry. Okay, now let's change this and drag it down all the way down. And now let's see, if I type 45, then, and if I say 56, then it appears like this. So the income part is done. Now let's get into this. So now I just have to copy the formula. It goes to this, and if it is not, then do nothing, and if it is, then today, then this, and then that, and done. So whenever if I write ice cream, then it appears like the same. It does the same thing. So you have to change this by going to more accounting formats, and date, and going to this, and then done. So now you can drag it all the way down, and you have to work on this as well. So you go to more accounting formats, then accounting, and then you all have to do is okay and drag it down, right? So you're done on this part. Okay, so now I want to view my total income, and okay, let me see the total income, and I'm going to total expenses and total savings. So let me just make it a little bit larger like this, and now I'm just gonna format these as I'm gonna format each of them as table. For example, if this is income, then it's go blue. If it is expenses, then it will go this way, and if it is savings, then it will have this color. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select income, so sum, and I'm gonna drag all the way down, and done. So it's $45. And similarly, I'm just also gonna sum and drag all the way down here, and done. And on savings, it's what savings is just income, um, um, sorry, just income minus expenses. So this is 45. So I don't know if this is profit or loss, so I'm gonna write another formula for that. Remarks, and on remarks I'm gonna write a formula if this is great lesser than 0, then it's lesser than 0, then it's loss. If this is equal to 0, then what do we call that? I don't know. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, so for the sake of this, you can search the word and write the correct one, but I am not able to find the correct word. And if it is not, then it's profit. Profit. Okay, and this one and this one. Okay, they're true, right? Okay, so this is how you do it. So if, for example, if income is lesser than, for example, if it is 9,000, okay, so it's loss, it is showing loss. But if it is 45, then nothing, right? So this is how you do a simple income and expenses table. Thank you for watching.